In this video I will show you how to connect LG Smart TV to Wi-Fi in order to watch YouTube videos. Hey guys. This is MARKOVAL. I make appliance unboxing, reviews and tutorial videos. If you like this kind of content, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and never miss any of my new video uploads. So let's start. First we will connect this LG Full HD Smart TV to Wi-Fi. And then watch some YouTube videos later. First, go to Network. In Wireless Network, input the Wi-Fi password. After successfully connecting Wi-Fi, go back to Apps, then open the YouTube app. Here is my YouTube channel. You can explore it to watch more appliance unboxing, reviews and tutorial videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and receive the 10 years of luck and prosperity.